It's back to the sea today with some sea scallops. We're gonna sear them up, get some great color on them, and then we're gonna add a sesame ginger drizzle that's really gonna take these over the top. I think of all the seafood that I like that's in the small category, like, shrimp and mussels and things like that. Scallops to me are my favorite. And here I've got 4 sea scallops, and the first thing I want to do is just sort of pat them dry. I want to get off any excess moisture on the surface. There's always going to be a little bit, but want to get it off there if you can. Now I'm going to hit these simply with some salt and some pepper because that sesame ginger drizzle is really going to bring the flavor in at the end. I like pepper, so I'm putting a lot of pepper. There we go. Let's head over to the stove and sear these up. All right, I have my pan over medium heat, and this is a non-stick skillet. It's got that sort of stoneware feel to it, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. I'm using a safflower oil today. Olive oil works well. Just wanna get this nice and hot. All right, let's go ahead and get our scallops in, and once they're in there, I'm gonna leave them for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. We've been going just about 1 minute and 45 seconds here. Gonna let it go just a few more seconds. Want to get a good color on this, kind of build that crust. And now let's take a look. Looking good. Want to let it go for about 10 more seconds though. All right, let's go ahead and give these a turn. Good color. And we're going to let these go for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. A little bit more, going about 1 minute. All right, let's see how we're doing. I'm liking the looks of that. That is looking really good. All right, I'm gonna get my scallops off here and we're gonna move on to making that sauce. All right, I wiped out a little bit of the excess oil from the pan here, and I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to this. We want all those bits of flavor from the scallops in our sauce here, and my burner is on low. To this, I'm gonna add maybe a tablespoon of sesame oil and a tablespoon of crushed ginger. That's what we're looking for. Burner's going off. Let's go over and plate up our scallops. All right, I have my scallops on a plate here, and I just wanna get some of this sesame ginger drizzle on here. Nice pieces of ginger there. All that nice butter too. Yeah, butter and scallops are pretty good friends. And there it is, sesame ginger scallops seared in a pan on the stove. You could do these out on the grill, on a burner outside, anywhere you want, as long as you have a hot pan. These are looking great, they're smelling great, so it's time to taste, and I'm just gonna dig in right now. Let's just cut into one of these. Oh yeah. That is nice and moist. Let's have a bite. Sea scallops are what I like to call a 2-bite food. 2 bites and you're done with each one. But boy, those 2 bites are fantastic. So there you have it, a very simple piece of seafood you can cook. It can be part of a larger meal. It could be an appetizer, a couple minutes on each side, get some good color. And if you want to, add a nice sauce to it, but you don't have to. Honestly, just some melted butter is enough. But I love this sesame ginger drizzle. It's perfect.